So for today's video, we want to talk about treatment of chicken with organic medication. For my last video, we've been talking about coccidiosis. For today, we want to talk about CRD, when plenty people they call cough. So now, what be the full meaning of CRD? CRD stands for chronic respiratory disease. This one a type of poultry disease when they affect the respiratory system of your bird. This one, if you make them when they say it go dey hard them to breathe, then go get cough, then go get catarrh. And this disease they usually affect broilers bird. So now for today's video, we want to talk about the medication. We'll talk about the organic medication for this CRD or cough. So what will be some of the ingredients when you use? One, you will use 750 grams each of garlic, ginger, and cayenne pepper. 2, 50 grams of scent leaf. So the number 2 method is say you will grind all of them, put for 1 liter of drinking water. Make I repeat them again. 750 grams each of garlic, ginger, and cayenne pepper. That is garlic 750 grams. You go weigh ginger 750 grams, cayenne pepper 750 grams. You go join them together. Then you will come add 50 grams of scent leaf. After that, you will come grind all of them, put them for 1 liter of drinking water. So what you don't put them, so you feel ferment them, keep them like for 3 days. You can add honey, or you add this extract from sugar cane. I don't forget how they call them. So you feel add molasses to them. So now that molasses will help keep the taste fine and help and make it no spoil, and it will still make it taste well. Give your bird drugs or medication. You get 2 purpose. We get 2 purpose when we give our bird medication. Now either to prevent that disease or to treat them. So now, when you give them to prevent that particular disease, you need to add 10 ml of the mixture. That is all those things when you don't mix together, to 1 liter of drinking water for 3 days. Now, if not for treatment, you go double the dosage. That is 20 ml per 1 liter of drinking water for 2 to 5 days, so that your bird will feel well. But take note, before you carry out this procedure, it is very important. Make you carry the experiment plenty time, so that you will fit know how you will fit give the bird. So when you follow this method, you fit treat the CRD for your poultry bird. A simple method be that. Just follow the step. Thank you. See you for my next video. Bye.